Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I'm having fun with a song called So Much Sense with Gabzy and Fireboy DML. Great collab. Let's go into this one. And as you can see, cape on first. That's the best scenario for us. 4 chords rolling in the same way through the entire song. And I'm going to use my cool guitar from Anchor Guitars. This is the Falcon model. Check that one out if you want to. A great guitar. Now let's go into it. And we have the chords of E minor, then the D, B, C major, and D sus. All right. So we're going to start with the E minor. And we have some modification here because of the melody that goes there, or the notes. That note in the bottom there. Anyway, you're going to hold open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and that note of second E. Okay. So I use my index finger and mid finger for this grip of the standard E minor grip, and then I add on with my ring finger on the second fret E string. Why? Because the next chord you're gonna hold a similar grip. It goes like this, okay? So that will be the DB chord. You're gonna play second fret A, then open D, second G, third B, and open E. When it comes to this specific song, try to stay away from that open E, because we have the melody that goes on that last note of third B string. That is where the melody goes, alright? That's a DB chord. Next comes the C major 7. And that will be third A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And that's where the melody goes now, on the open E. And then finally we have the D sus2 chord. And again, you're gonna play open D, second G, and third B. And you also have the open E, but I try to stay away from that again. You have the melody on the third B. Okay, so by melody I mean this is the note that is prominent when you play the strumming later on. So each and every chord has one. So E minor has the second fret E string. Then the DB chord has the third B. Then the C major has the open E. And then finally the D sus has the third B. Okay. Now you can play this to start with just one down per chord, and the rhythm goes like this. Okay, so you can actually just stay with that and play that through the entire song, but you can also add up in tension here. And yes, we have a 2-part strumming. So we're going to look into the transition from E minor to the DB. So the first part, E minor, is played like this. So first one down, and then down, up, down, up. If you think that is too much to handle there in the end, you can just stay with down, up, down. So, or, okay, so you can go with the up there in the end, or just skip it if it's too much for you later on to handle. Have that in mind. That is the first part. So down, down, up, down, up. And then comes the second part where you shift to the B, DB chord. So what I do here, I hold these specific fingers because I keep that index on the second fret A. That is the bass for the next chord, and I just recuperate my mid and ring to this position. Okay, so from this to this. It goes faster with the changes because you have to switch fast here. Now the second part will be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So that is the strumming here. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And it sounds a little strange here, but when you connect it, it will make sense as the title of this song. So E minor to DB. Okay, again. And then apply the same principle here for the next two chords. The C major is played in the same way as E minor, down, down, up, down, up. And then finally the D sus chord is played in the same way as the DB, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So the C major to D goes like this. And one full round slowly goes like this. Again. If you just add up in tempo a little bit, you will have the standard tempo somewhat like this. And that, my friends, is how you handle So Much Sense from Gab and Fire. So thank you for being here on this channel. Thank you for watching and supporting. Till next time, play tuned.